Hello children, good morning to all. How are you? Hopefully you have seen my yesterday's video related to your chapter number 2, Geography, Land, Soil and Water. So yesterday we talked about different type of soils. Soil formation and soil profile. Soil profile and soil formation based upon different factors. Very important: climatic conditions, parent rocks, first, second and third according to your book is a relief feature, fourth humus and time period. Relief features, fourth humus, fifth one is time period. Yes. When I taught you yesterday, I told you that 1 centimeter of soil formation take 100 years, right? So it takes a lot of time, but sometimes it both very important to learn here that soil formation is the process of both opposite agents, depositional and erosional. Erosion when soil is washed away, and deposition when it is washed away, it stops anywhere, then next go. When it is stopped, that is depositional, it gets deposit over there. So simultaneously both the process take part with the help of water, then erosion and this one depositional. When it is weathering, leaching, that is air, right? Air and wind are the agents in the rocks and mountains. So in this way soil formation is very important. I would like to show you the soil profile also in the end, and it is there when soil formation, climatic condition, what type of climate in that particular area, right? We know that hilly area, mountain area, plain area, desert area and coastal plains have different type of the climates. What type of climate is there? Like in Rajasthan there is dry type of climate, scanty of rainfall, scanty of vegetation, right? Less availability of water, and ultimately the texture of the soil would be accordingly. It is desert, it is somewhat sandy, it absorbs more and more water. You may make one experiment, ठीक है, उसमें सैंड लेके उसमें काफ़ी सारा पानी डालेंगे, क्ले सॉइल ले लेंगे, तो अगर उसमें पानी डालेंगे तो दैट वुड लीव द वाटर वेरी सून. Clay soil and sandy soil absorbs the water much because it is thirsty, too much thirsty. Okay. Then our second factor I told you, parent rock. Parent rock, like appearance from which type of rocks that soil has been formed. Which type of rocks that soil has been formed, and original rock formation from a particular rock is called parent rock. It determines the color, the texture and chemical properties, mineral content, all these mineral content, chemical properties, color, texture, that is determined by the parent rock, right? Parent rock, okay. Then the relief feature, altitude and latitude, longitudinal value of that particular place also play very important role. It is very deep, right? Altitude, it is height above the sea level, from which part you are observing that soil, that is also very important. Then comes the category of humus. It is the dead and remains of animals and trees. We call it fossil fuel also. It provides organic matter to the soil. If soil is formed there, that will contain more and more organic matter in it, right? Soil makes it more fertile if it is formed formed by the humus, that is dead and decay plants and animals, fossil fuel. Hopefully you have understood this thing. Yes, children, next is time period. Time period also play a very very important role for how much time particular soil has been formed. Very big factor. The layers of the older soils are found deeper than the newly formed soil. इसमें बेटा जो हमारी alluvial soil में आपको बताया that is also categorized into two categories based upon the age factor, old and new. Old is Mangar and Khaddar. Mangar and Khaddar, two types of soil in that alluvial soil based upon the age factor. तो that is also time period कि अलग अलग टाइप की सॉइल्स होती है जिसको फॉर्म होने में कितना टाइम लग रहा है. एवरी टाइप ऑफ सॉइल इज़ नॉट फॉर्म्ड विद इन सेम टाइम पीरियड. According to the time period consumed by any particular type of soil would be there, and soil of any place takes longer duration to develop, have its more distinctive soil profile. Then comes the relief feature, that is the basic point for the formation of the soils. Relief feature, altitude, humus. In this way, these 5 features are very very important for the soil formation. Yes children, now there is one diagram on your book, right? You have to draw that diagram. Let us see. This is of soil profile. This is of soil profile, right? Different layers of the soil. First one is D, that is bedrock. Second one is rock fragments. C, horizon. Okay, little or no plant or no animal life is over there. Then B, horizon, poor in humus, rich in minerals. Then topmost layer of the soil is A, horizon, often rich in humus and minerals. And fourth one and upper top is humus, where we get this type of plants and vegetations over there. These are the different types, different layers of the soil that has been categorized into A, B, C and D. D is the bedrock, C is the fragmentation, B is the horizon and A, horizon. A, topsoil, B, subsoil, C, rock fragmentation, D, bedrocks. So in this way, this is called soil profiles. Okay, soil profile. Okay children, top this one, top soil often rich in minerals and humus, right, and contains rotten plants and animals. अभी हमने जो पढ़ा था सॉइल का, उसमें हमने पढ़ा था ये फॉसिल फाइल से होता है, फॉसिल फ्यूल फॉसिल्स से होता है. सब सॉइल जो होती है इट इज़ फाउंड बिलो द टॉप सॉइल. ये क्ले भी हो सकती है, सिल्ट भी हो सकती है, सैंड भी हो सकती है. रेन वाटर विच सीप्स इनटू द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ कलेक्ट दिस लेयर. ठीक है, इसके नीचे होता है, देखो नीचे बैठता जाता है, नीचे नीचे बेड रॉक होती है. आपको पता है जो हैवी चीज़ें होती है वो नीचे होती है, जो उससे हल्की उसके ऊपर, जो उससे लाइट वो उससे ऊपर, उससे ऊपर, उससे ऊपर, इस टाइप से. ये 5 स्टेजेस ऑफ द सॉइल प्रोफाइल हियर यू आर वॉचिंग. देन बिकम्स द rock fragments. See, this layer lies between the subsoil and the parent bedrock. It consists of withered rocks. right, जो मैंने आपको लीचिंग और विदरिंग बताया, रॉक्स के घिस जाने के प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं. ऑटोमेटिकली नेचुरली वो घिसते रहते हैं. राइट, तो बेड रॉक, हॉरिजन, डी, दिस इज द लास्ट लेयर इन द सॉइल प्रोफाइल. इट इज़ द पेरेंट रॉक. इट इज़ सॉलिड लेयर ऑफ अनविदर्ड रॉक. दोनों में डिफरेंस है. जो ऊपर वाला रॉक फ्रेगमेंट है ये विदर्ड रॉक्स होती हैं, और डी जो होता है इसमें टोटली रॉक्स होती हैं. दिस इज विदर्ड रॉक्स. सो इन दिस वे चिल्ड्रन, दिस डायग्राम you have to see. I intentionally showed you this diagram from your book only so that you can understand it properly. So in this way today we have done different factors responsible for the soil formation and soil profile. Children, you have to draw this diagram, soil profile, label it properly, use different type of colors. Thank you this much for today. Bye. Take care.